Hello everyone, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we are going to talk about the A sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The A sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word am, or at the middle of the word, like cam, or at the end of the word, like nghe. Now let's see how to pronounce the A sound. First, tip of your tongue is placed right behind the bottom front teeth. The body of your tongue rises up but doesn't touch the hard palate. Your tongue should be relaxed and put it a little bit forward. Now let's talk about the mouth shape. Open your mouth partially, stretch your lips slightly and keep them relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the A sound that it is a long sound, so you have to prolong the A sound in word, like am, cam, nghe. Now let's try to say some words with the A sound. First, the A at the beginning of the word. I want to say the word first, then you'll have few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the sound. The first word is an, am, ep. Now the A sound at the middle of the word. Cam, kéo, kéo. Nam, béo. Khen, đàn, đẹp. Xem, hàm. Theo. Now the A sound at the end of word. Bé, xe, đẻ. Nghe, nhẹ. Té, mẹ. Che, trẻ. Em bé, đè nén. Kẹo kéo. Mèo béo. Kéo theo. Leo trèo. Let's try to say some sentences with many of the A sound. I'm going to do it in 3 steps. I'm going to say the sentence very slowly at first, then I'm going to do it a little bit faster, and on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Mẹ đẻ em bé. Now a little bit faster. Mẹ đẻ em bé. Now with normal speed. Mẹ đẻ em bé. Mẹ khen bé vẽ đẹp. Now a little bit faster. Mẹ khen bé vẽ đẹp. Now with normal speed. Mẹ khen bé vẽ đẹp. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.